At the beginning of the school year, we were assigned a presentation, and I did mine on bats, cause cryptontology is cool. So I'm doing it again. And since bats are my favorite animal, I was thinking of maybe doing a formative lesson in a zoology type of form, because, we have to learn about animals, and bats are a type of animal. I'm hoping you knew that. And some of you may be like, oh, Michael, you can't do a formative lesson plan on bats. You have to do something about mathematics, science, psychology, and somewhat something else. And yeah, you may be right, but you're not an animal nerd like me, and I'm going to teach you about bats, so suck it up. Bats are often seen as pests and main carriers of the rabies virus and sometimes bad omens. And while bats sometimes carry deadly diseases, they aren't really that bad. But one in North America is called white nose syndrome. It's a fungus infection that affects the respiratory system in bats, and in most cases are fatal. Bats are really important in modern ecosystems. They pollinate multiple trees, flowers, and cacti, while some eat pesky insects and rodents. With more and more bat populations decreasing, some wildlife organizations and communities are turning more eco-friendly by controlling habitat conservations, making bat boxes, monitoring migrations, and having a management for disease. And if you live in Indiana like me, the most common bats you'll find are big brown bats, little brown bats, eastern red bats, hoary bats, silver-haired bats, northern long-eared bats, and Indiana bats. With human effort, we can help focus on preserving bat habitats, reduce threats, raise awareness, conduct research, and implement conversation that measures ensuring the long survival of these important yet fascinating creatures. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk.